Are you new to Amazon ads? If so, in this video, I'll show you why portfolios are the first thing you need to set up when running Amazon ads. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group. Let's dive in. Okay, so you're gonna log into Amazon Seller Central, then you're gonna go into this drop-down Advertising Campaign Manager, and it's gonna look something like this, where your campaigns, but what you wanna do is click on Portfolios right here, and you're going to click Create Portfolio. This is where you can create your own portfolio, and what I recommend is having only one product per portfolio. Don't mix it, don't combine it, right? So, for example, if I'm selling a hiccup straw green, I'm gonna do a green one. If I'm also selling a purple one, I'm gonna put that in a separate portfolio. So I'll make another one for a purple straw. Different portfolios, the more separated it is, in my professional opinion, the easier it is to manage. Because what if the purple ads don't do good and the green ones do good? But anyway, you're gonna click Create Portfolio, and it's like a mini folder. So it's a folder that holds all of your campaigns. So you can go right there and you can just, instead of searching through every campaign that you make, it's all under one portfolio, aka one big folder that has all of your campaigns in there. So when you create a campaign, so let's say I create a campaign and here's my campaign, I can move it to a portfolio. So I can click Move to Portfolio and I can click what portfolio I want to move it to, right? And then I can save it in that portfolio. So once I actually click on the portfolio, here's the portfolios. If I click on this one right here, it's gonna show every ad that I created for this product. And it's gonna be so much easier for me to manage, to organize, right? And that way I can keep them all in one place. So when I create a new campaign for this product, it's right here. And I can see which ones are doing the best, which ones are doing the worst, right? And organization is key when it comes to Amazon advertising and Amazon in general. And that's it for today's video. Want me to share more beginner Amazon ads tips? Let me know in the comments below. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need any help with increasing sales, managing your Amazon ads, or just help selling on Amazon, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. Also, one of our most popular services is our full Amazon account management service. This is what will fully manage your inventory, calling Amazon, customer service, advertising, increasing your sales, and much, much more. The benefit of this service is so you can spend time working on your business instead of in your business every day, like calling Amazon for hours on end just to fix an issue or managing your ads. Let us help you save time, money, and increase your sales with ehpconsultinggroup.com. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO, and I'm signing out.